everyone, welcome to my crochet up. My name's Linda and I have a little bit of a happy mail. There's a little bit of a story to this now. Lauren, who is based here in the UK, who's a brilliant supporter to a lot of our channels, doesn't have one herself but really supports us all. And I was talking about cotton, and she messaged me and said she had some cotton that she doesn't use, and would I like them, and she sent them to me, guys. So yeah, so I got a little packet of happy mail. I've also got this from Amazon, so I'm not sure what it is. Let's just open it and see. I think I might have an idea what it is. You know what, when my giveaways, they always give notions. Wow, that's not right. I ordered the wrong things. I always give stitch markers in a little container, and I thought I'd ordered 200 and I've only ordered 20. Ice cream moment, guys. Ice cream moment. So I'm going to have to go on and order some more now. What an idiot. Sorry, guys. It's not my, well, mustn't be my day. Anyway, I'm going to open this. Let's see what. Got to be careful I don't cut the yarn. That's the last thing you want, isn't it, guys? Cut your yarn. So thank you so much, Lauren. I really do appreciate this. Oh, she's put it in another bag. Wow. Oh, sent with love from Erin and Lauren and Erin. Thank you, Erin. Thank you. And thank you to Mummy too. Ooh, and it's my favourite. Look at this. So she sent me the Lily Sugar and Cream, and I've not seen these colours, guys. So this colour, what is it? Does it say Buttercream Ombre? So I've got Buttercream Ombre, another Buttercream Ombre, and then I've got Love Amour. And this is a 4-weight, guys. 4.5 knitting needles, 5mm hook, and there's a free pattern inside, so I'll have to have a look at that. But yeah, and it's a 4-weight. I think I've said that, and it is. Oh, I've got another one. I've got 3 of these now, and they're 100% made in Canada from 100% USA govern cotton. So I've got 3 of them. Oh, I've got this one. Oh, look at that one, guys. I like this one. And this one is called Jewels. So I've got 3, 4, 5. Oh, she's really packed these. Oh, I've got 4 of them. That'll make the bucket hat. I'll get it down and show you. Oh, I've got another one of the jewels. So I've got 2 of the jewels, 3 of the jewels, 4 of the jewels, and 1 of the Amore. So thank you so much, Lauren. I am absolutely over the moon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yay! I am delighted. Thank you. Very, very much appreciated. And thank you, Erin. Thank you, sweetie. Hi, this is a follow-on from the first video for Happy Mail from Lauren. And she sent me some more. So let's open it and see. Woo-hoo. Now, from the first video, wonderful Lauren, who is a big supporter to all of us here on YouTube, she supports all of us, you know, a lot of us, and she doesn't like cotton. So she messaged me and she said, I found the other bit of cotton. So she sent it to me, the Lily Sugar and Cream. So she sent me some more of this one, which is, this is Jewels. And, oh, look at this yellow one. Oh, this is lovely. This is Daisy Ombre. That'd be nice making a bucket hat, that bucket hat up there. Oh, let me see what else. Look at this one, Spring Swirl. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I've got two of them. Oh, I've got another one of the Jewels. That'd make a hat as well, wouldn't it? I'd get a hat out of that too. Oh, I've got some of this. I bought some of this. Is this the, yes, the faded denim. So that'll add to the ones that I've got. Oh, and I've got some more of this. This is lovely. This is called Buttercream Ombre, which she sent me some more of them. She's really packed this bag, I tell you guys. Here's some more Faded Dreams. Oh, another one. And another one. So I think I've got about 7 of them because I've got 3 of them. So that's 7. Oh, I'm going to get some. 8, 9. Wow, look at them. Oh. I could make a wearable with these. Maybe not a wearable, maybe, oh, if I put 2 together, I could make a really nice basket with these. Thank you, Lauren, and Erin as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm absolutely delighted. So I will put a photograph. Oh, I love this. Oh, I've got some yellow and white as well, so maybe I could make a nice sun hat with that. Thank you, Lauren. Thank you so much. Thank you to everyone for watching. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.